Good morning, one and all. Welcome to the session of Classroom English, day 15. Today, let us discuss tenses table. Okay, let's see. Since tense is a form of verb, let's see verb form first. Drink, drank, drunk, drinking. V1 is used in simple present. V2 is used in simple past. V3 is used in perfect tenses. V4 is used in continuous tenses. Before V1, in positive situations, no helping verb is used. In positive situations, before V2 also, no helping verbs are used. But before V3, helping verbs are used. Which helping verbs? Have forms are used. V4, before V4, which forms are used? B forms are used. Okay, now come to the table. These are simple present, simple past, and simple future. Simple tenses are used in three occasions, which are to express regular actions, to express past completed actions, to express future occurred actions. Regular actions are used to express in simple present. To express past actions, simple past is used. We use simple future to express future occurred actions. So, let us see once. In simple present tense, V1 verb comes. V1, if the subject is third person singular, S or ES is added to the V1 verb. If action is done yet daily, every day, always, never, often, usual, it is expressed in simple present. And in simple past, the past completed actions like yesterday, last night, last year, last week, completed actions are used to be expressed in simple past. To express a simple past, we use V2 verb. Subject plus V2 plus object. Subject plus object is common. That's why we are not mentioning here. V2 verb is used. Next, coming to simple future. Future occurred. The actions which will be happened in the future. Just tomorrow, tonight, next week, next month, occurred actions are expressed in simple future. So, which verb is used here? Shall plus V1 or will plus V1? To express simple present, V1 verb is used. To express simple past, past verb, V2 verb is used. To express simple future, future verb, shall or will plus V1 is used. Okay, let us see the exercise regarding three tenses. She dash eat daily, yesterday, tomorrow. This refers daily actions. It indicates past completed actions. It indicates future occurred actions. Okay, if daily, so simple present. Which verb comes in simple present? Present verb V1 comes. Subject is she, third person singular. So S comes. Eats. Yesterday, past completed action and a simple past. In simple past, which verb comes? Past form of the verb V2. So ate. She ate something. Tomorrow, future action. So simple future. Shall or will plus V1. She will eat. She will eat something. Okay. Now moving to continuous tenses. We know that in continuous tenses, ing form comes. V4 comes. V4, V4, V4. Present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Okay, in continuous V4 comes. Before V4, in present continuous, present B forms, am, is, are comes. In past B continuous, past B form comes. In future continuous, shall be or will be comes. So, continuous tenses. When do we use these continuous tenses? We use three continuous tenses. In three situations we use. What are the three situations? Present going on action. At a certain time in the past going on action. At a certain time in future going on action. Going on action at present, at certain time in the past, at certain time in the future. If the action is going on at present, we use present continuous to express. So we use am, is, are plus V4, ing form. If the action is going on at certain time in the past, we use was, were plus V4, was, were, ing. If the action will be going on at a certain time in future, we shall use shall be or will be ing form. So let's see the exercise regarding it. She dash eat. Now present continuous. At this time yesterday, past continuous. At this time tomorrow, future continuous. Okay, she eat now, present continuous. In present continuous, which verb comes here? Continuous, ing forms comes. Present continuous, she, am, is, are, so is eating. Is eating. At this time yesterday. The action is going on at this time yesterday. So past continuous. Past continuous, which verb form comes here? Eating, eating. Okay, continuous. That is past continuous. So was, were comes. Was. She was eating at this time yesterday. At this time tomorrow. Future continuous. So, shall be or will be? She will be eating. She will be eating.